and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to make an SSH connection to a Linux virtual machine. To do so, head on over to an active deployment run with a Linux host. If you don't see your deployment run in this column here, you can look for it under the Runs section of the main menu, or you can look for the specific virtual host under the Hosts section. Scroll down to the virtual host and click Connect. While you have the option to establish a VNC connection, doing so takes a couple extra steps, so we will cover that process in another video. For now, just select SSH, hit the Connect button once more, and there you have it, an SSH connection directly to the command line of your Linux virtual machine. If you close this window, you can resume a remote access session by clicking the Connect button again and selecting the session from My Connections. And if you'd like to terminate that session, click the X button here. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Arcus Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, arcus-cloud.io/kb, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@arcus-cloud.io. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.